Audience? What? What are you doing staring at Christmas lights that aren't supposed to be Christmas lights? It's precarious. Are you embarrassed to be with me?
What? Oh, what? Oh?
I'm recording.
Oh. I knew that. I think.
So, okay. You just...
Yes?
We didn't get that!
Oh, come on!
I was looking at me to see if I got the eyeshadow.
Fine. I'll do it again. I guess. Yes?
Oh god. You're gonna see that. We're gonna stop recording.
Okay, bye guys. I'll see